Hiya, welcome to another video. We're at Radford Park / lake. Also there's a sewage plant next door, we think. We're sort of in a weird little sort of area that it's hard to get to with a pram, but we managed it. Hopefully that means other people can't get here. And we got the Mini 2 out again, and we just thought we'd have a little fly around because it's quite nice and sort of show you the views basically. So I'm going to start recording on the drone. And I'm going to do, and we're in 4K 30. Takeoff is permitted. Here we go.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
There we go. Fly towards Rach and do a little spin around. A little bit windy this afternoon. There we go, up a bit, spin around. Yeah. There we go, right. Take it back out. There's actually some nice views. There's a shipwreck, which we're going to just turn round to. Yeah, so we've got some shipwrecks here, and some sort of weird tower looking thing over there, which we'll get to in a second. We're going to take it up. I'm expecting strong wind warnings, so be warned before we get them. But here we go, we're going up to 50 meters. Hopefully the seagulls are feeling pleasant and friendly today. They always are, aren't they? So right, so if I can drop the camera down slightly, again another sort of grey day in the UK. That rhymes. Yeah, so there's that tower. Just wonder if we could go and have a little bit of a look at that actually. Just see if we can get a better look at it, so you can sort of see the tower there. Just a bit of a fly around the old park / lake. Yeah, I don't think it's a real sort of medieval tower or something. It's you know, it's just been built by some rich person a while ago. So yeah, and there's sewage plants right next to that. That's quite nice, isn't it? You know, it is an odd aroma in this area. We're not sure if it's coming from this sort of river / sea area here. Don't know if this is a river, is it? We don't know. Estuary, yeah. But basically the smell could be coming from here, or it could be coming from there, which the drone can turn around and sort of give you a lovely bird's eye view of, which is the lovely sewage plant there. I'm sure the residents nearby are quite happy with that on their doorstep. But basically, yeah, that's the sewage plant. That's the estuary. It's Plymouth back over that way. Still in Plymouth. Basically, I'm just going to turn myself back round to where I was just a minute ago. Just show you around the this little bit, the lake area. That's the park we came down. But yeah, looks nice, doesn't it? You know, I mean, it probably looks better when it's sunny. But unfortunately we don't seem to have much luck with such things at the moment. But yeah, I just thought we'd do a quick video. The signal's a bit low on the controller there. Yeah, it's not very far from us, but you know. And of course this has the new Air 2 style controller, which basically should give us quite good range. They claim sort of 6 kilometers in Europe, so but anyway, we're not going that far today, probably many days. But yeah, basically just fly over the mock sort of fort, I think that's what it is. Just have a look around the old estuary area, I think. Yeah, so that's, but you know, forward is probably the main part of Plymouth, back over there, Cat Down, that sort of area. But yeah, we're just going to go around the lake or estuary or whatever it is and just have a quick look around. Don't want to get too close to the houses, we just want to have a quick look around the area, show you what it's like, because we, you know, just got the Mini the other day and we just want to get it out as much as we can really. We're enjoying flying it. It's a very nice, easy to throw up in the air drone, very light, very easy to carry around. I'm completely converted to the satchel now, I love it. Although I think I've scuffed it a little bit, but anyway, I absolutely love it, and I'm now considering sticking the Mavic Air 2 in a similar satchel. Yeah, so we're not going to go fully out here, but you can see, look, it goes out into Plymouth Sound, where we flown the Feemy the other day. I'm just going to sort of swing around these houses here and come back towards where we are. But yeah, basically a nice little look around. And yeah, we've got a nice little sort of quiet spot actually, which is very difficult to get to. You can't get off the path very easily. We nearly broke all our ankles trying to get here, so that's a plus, I think, for location. Just a nice sort of, you know, we're like the grassy knoll of the area. Is this a knoll? I don't know. But basically this is a nice area apart from the, I'm guessing this is water that's coming out of the sewage plant. Maybe they've already cleaned it before they put it out that way, I don't know. We're not here to make a statement about the the sewage plant, but yeah, we're just sort of having a little fly around, nothing too heavy. But yeah, we had a play earlier on today with the features of the drone. Do you know we haven't had a strong wind warning yet? We haven't had a strong wind warning. It was very windy over there, and I know I've just said strong wind, so you know, probably we'll get one pretty soon. But basically, I just want to have a quick look and try and sort of turn off the recording a second, just see if we can do the quick shots again. But basically, I might have to get it to return home first. Actually, do you know what? Let's go back out, turn the video back on, or else you don't really see what's going on. We do return to home, and then that should bring it back towards us.
Go home.
And then we can, you know, it's just easier than basically flying it back manually. And then I might do like a kind of droney away from us in this lovely area. You might get a sort of shot of the Shipwrecks as it kind of does it. But yeah, it should be returning over us now. We're in the green bit there. You know, it's a lovely sewage works there, isn't it? Quite sort of picturesque. Oh yeah, so it's coming back. I can hear it. There it is, yeah. Basically, what we're hoping is that we can... Oh, strong wind warning. Yep, speak of the devil. So basically what I want to do is bring it down. You know, we've got trees near us again. There's always trees. So we just need to be really careful. I'm bringing it down on top of us. If I drop the gimbal down, you'll be able to see that we're down there. We've got a landing pad. We don't think it's got intelligent landing. Well, that's fast. Comes down. It's just a lovely, very manoeuvrable drone, I tell you. What I want to do is kind of bank it over. I want to get, you know, I'm just going to, hang on, bring it back. Oop, that's towards me. I want to bring it back a bit and just show you the lovely liquid. You know, I don't know what this is, but basically, whatever that is, some water's coming out of it. So what I want to do is fly forward towards me. There's me. Hello. And then what I want to do is I want to do a droney away. This is a sort of cinematic feature that you see when you're on a beach. You see them on a beach, so it's always on a beach. You know, you shouldn't take this on a beach because we got sand in the Mini One. It's not a good idea. But basically, they're on a beach, they're having a lovely holiday, you know, the kid's not screaming, they've got cocktails in their hands, you know, it's a lovely day out at the beach, and that drone just sweeps away and it has a lovely shoreline. There's no one else there, it's just them, it's their own private island. I mean, they've decided to buy a Mavic Mini 2 for their private, you know, holiday on their private island, which is an odd choice if you got that much money, I imagine, but they do a lovely droney away, and you know, they got not a care in the world. They don't even know where the drone went. Do you know what I mean? But anyway, we're going to do one here in this lovely environment that we're in, and let's just see how we get on. And I'm going to do the full 60. Oh god, it goes quite far. Let's do 60 meters. Let's not go crazy. And let's just see, right? And then basically, what you can do is you can pick a subject. So I could pick me, or I could pick Rach. You just tap on it like that, and basically now, so that's really good. That's what's really good about this compared to like the Feemy. It will, like the Mavic Air 2, it will know what an object is. Obviously Rachel's not an object but a person, but basically it will know a person or an object or something. I think maybe it's just people for the Mavic Mini 2, I don't know. I keep calling it Mavic Mini 2, it's a DJI Mini 2, but it's a crap name, isn't it? Let's be honest. So let's press start, and then it'll do it. You know, and look, we'll go, way, look, we're on the beach, it's brilliant, and away it goes. Ah, we're loving it. And that is how you do one of those cinematic dronies away from your lovely location. It's not a terrible location actually. It's nice and quiet here. Yeah, up it. Ooh, seagull. Yeah, that's not the best. Yeah, so we got a couple of seagulls that seem, oh, they're not too interested. They've kind of gone away now. It's coming back now, I think. Yeah, it's coming back to us. What these Quickshot features do is they make their own film. They're not part of the main video. I don't remember it being that close last time. So it's returned a lot closer than what I thought it would. So let's back it off a bit. Well, back it off. But yeah, basically, you know, you've got those sort of features with this drone, which is really cool. Is there any other sort of, I don't know what Pano does. Hang on, let's have a look at Pano. So you got sphere, wide angle. What's wide angle do? Should we try that? Yeah, go on. Yeah, so it's just taking loads of photos now. I don't think this area looks that sort of worth it, to be honest. And that's that. So I don't think we got a good, I don't think that was a particularly good view. 180. Well, what I'll do is I'll take it up and then I'll turn it away. I don't think we'll do the sewer works. That doesn't feel like a good Pano candidate to me. Let's do something a bit more sort of picturesque. Let's have a look at that tower. Bank it across a bit. Yeah, bank it across. Go up a bit higher maybe, and then forward. Oh, hang on, forward. Right, so, and then what I want to do is get that in the centre, and then should we do a Pano? We'll do a 180. Now, I've no idea what it's doing. It may be that you have to construct this. You know, I think you stick this into an image, or it sticks it into an image for you, which I'll attempt to edit into the video. So yeah, it's not a video Pano, is it? It's not a video Pano. So that's a bit of a shame, but you know, it would have been nice to have had a video that you could do. So back in the Quickshots, yeah, there isn't really. I think the Mavic Air 2 can do like an 8K hyperlapse, I think. So like a hyperlapse of everything it's doing in 8K. So there is definitely things missing from this drone. I'm going to come off that because it drives me mad. I'm going to put it back in video. I'll start recording again. I think the main new features of this drone is that basically it takes 4K footage. I mean, that's really the headline feature, new feature, and I would say that it's the new controller with the OcuSync, which basically means you get really good range and you don't lose signal so easily, and you don't get as much interference. So yeah, basically I think that's your main thing really. So yeah, so basically we've had a little bit of a play around, a little look around the area. Saw some shipwrecks right next to some, I mean, I don't know if that's a shipwreck as well as it next to it. It looks a bit more like a working boat, but maybe it's not. But anyway, yeah, so thought we'd come out again today and sort of show you a few features. I might just quickly check in the menu, see if I can find any more about you know, landing. I don't see anything about landing, so let's have a look here. There really isn't anything about landing, So, you know, I don't think it can sort of land on the, in fact, do we want it to do 16 gig max video cache? That was when I forgot my SD card and I was really trying to find a way to record with no hope that that would ever happen. But yeah, I don't see anything in here about landing really. I know we need to update the firmware, so I keep forgetting to do that. But yeah, I don't see anything about detecting a landing pad. So let's do return to home and let's see if it will.
Go home.
Does the whole, because I've got the phone sound up, I think basically I'm hearing all this sort of sat-nav style. So anyway, yeah, it's coming back to us now. Do you know what? It's almost brightening up again now. It's always the same, isn't it? Whenever you sort of do a drone video, well, in this country. But yeah, basically it's coming down. Let's drop the camera down. It's coming down, and it took off from that pad, but will it land on that pad again? I don't think so. It doesn't look like it's going to hit anything, including us, so I'm not minded to stop it at this second, but I'm going to get ready just in case. But yeah, it's sort of landing. I don't think it's going to land on the pad. I don't know. No, it's not. It didn't like it anyway. These drones, the Mavic Air and the the Mavic Air 2. We found this before. It does sometimes. It detects something like not nice ground underneath, and it will say, "Oh, I don't want to land here." So basically, I think that's what's happened.
Landing.
That wasn't too bad. It kind of skidded off because the pad is on a bit of an angle, really. In fact, the pad needs a good clean. But yeah, basically you have to stop recording as well on these drones. All Mavic/DJI drones, you need to turn off the recording, but or else you might get a corrupted SD card. So be careful with that. Make sure you turn off your recording. But yeah, I mean, one thing that this drone does that the Fimi doesn't do is when it comes down, and I think all Mavics do this, the camera automatically kind of drops to get like kind of a nice view. So whatever you've got the camera set to, it will drop the camera down and go, oh, I'll put it back sort of forward, But yeah, we thought we'd take it out, thought it'd have a little fly about. Take you to a scenic spot. We hope that there might be a break in the cloud, but unfortunately not, although it does look like there might be one coming from over that area, but that's the way it is, isn't it? You kind of miss these things. But yeah, we thought we'd do another quick video, show you the Mini 2. Hopefully it'll help you make a decision. I don't think they're in short supply, so get ordering them, because they're available at the moment. So I don't know if they're going to sell out. We were lucky to get one on the day that it came out, actually. But we didn't, we didn't have it on pre-order or anything like that. We just got it, and it came the same day. We ordered it the same day. We had no problems getting it. So yeah, I don't know if it's in short supply. But yeah, thanks very much for watching. Please click subscribe. Please click like. Please tell your friends, please tell your friends' friends and all their relatives. Tell everybody, basically. But thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Put some comments down below, say what you think. But click the like button, click the subscribe button, click the notifications bell, and watch the next video, please. Thanks very much. Take care, you've been great.